Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good evening to Encik Karua Zahar. My name is ZIKRI and today me and my group partner will present to you about our project in industrial control. So for the task one, I will give to HAZIQ and BASIR to present about the circuit here.
Okay, thank you, AB. Okay, so for the task one, when we not press any button, the L2 is on, which is the red pilot light. So when we press PB1 and we release, it will trigger to diff D, and after that, the green pilot light will on, and the timer also will on, and the interlock. So after the interlock on, the V1, V2 and M1 will run. So when the timer reach for 30 minutes, after that the V1 will off. But the V1, V2 and M1 still run. So after that, it will detect the level sensor 1. So next, Basir.
After LS1 energize, it will turn on the timer terminates, and after that, it will turn on the V3. So we use PB2 for empty tank. So when we press and release the PB2, it will turn on the LS2 and turn off the V3 and turn on back the L2 red fire light. For this condition is to initial condition for this set. Okay, that's all for task 1. I will give to KUGAN for task 2.
Okay, this is the fluid sim circuit for task 2, which is okay, when we press sensor 1, or I mean when the object moves from sensor 1, the sensor 1 detects the object, green lamp will turn on and the conveyor will move from direction left to right. Okay, after it moves from sensor 1, when it reaches to sensor 2, detect the object, the conveyor will stop and the yellow button, the yellow lamp will turn on. Okay, something like this. And then after this green one, lamp green will turn off and yellow lamp will on. Okay. After the object is removed from the sensor 2, the system will start again and the product will be removed. Okay, that's all from me. I will give to my partner to the next part. Okay, this is the hardware design for our task 2. We just have to see only. Okay, next.
Okay, next is for the PLC ladder diagram. So for question 2, we are required to do the same condition as for the question 1, where when the capacity sensor 1 detect an object, green light will turn on. Okay, here we will be using set and reset for starting. Okay, when we press our sensor 1, okay, when we press our sensor 1, so at the same time, this thing will be moving. So our LED green will turn on as well as our motor. Okay, and then after that, when we turn on our sensor 2, okay, we can see that both our LED green and motor will be turned off, and LED yellow will turn on because we use DIFU here. Okay, so DIFU here means when it is turned on, it will light up the DIFU, but when it's in it is in doesn't have any input, it will not turn off. So that's why lah. So that's why our LED green and our motor will not turn on. So when we turn off our sensor 2, it will go back to its condition lah. That's mean LED green and motor will turn on again. So when we after that we will be turning on our emergency, resetting the whole PLC ladder diagram. So that's just us. That's all from us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.